Hi guys, it's Sherry. I hope that you are having a wonderful day. Y'all, let's have some butterfly fun. Stay tuned. So guys, I want to say thank you so much for the wonderful support you're showing with my videos and watching the video in its entirety. It really has made a difference just in a couple of days. It's made a huge difference in the feedback that I am receiving from YouTube in terms of my watch time. Absolutely making a difference. So y'all, thank you so much. So in an earlier video, I made these wonderful little butterflies without using a die, without using a machine, and without using a punch. And that was the whole purpose, was to show how we can take what we have in our stash and turn it into embellishments and ephemera and tags without the use of any cutting systems. So at the beginning of my videos, I run this introduction, and in that introduction footage, I had some butterflies that were not shown in the actual video itself. And I'll explain to you guys why I didn't show them. I didn't show them during the video because initially I didn't like them. Then once I started cutting out more and more of them, after I had made the video, I realized I really like these. So I'm going to show you those butterflies, and then I'm going to show you how I took them and how I'm using them. So this isn't necessarily a tutorial. It's more of a project share that you can do with the butterflies. So here are some of the butterflies that I cut out. And as you can see, this time I cut with the black outline actually on the top, and the back doesn't have an outline on it, but the back is very cute. But you can just see how these shimmer and glow, and they're just so pretty and so realistic looking. And because we're cutting these out by hand, guys, you can either trace a butterfly onto paper if your printer won't accept heavier paper to print these out on, or if your printer will, you can run them through. So the reason why I'm showing you guys this is because I really want those of you who don't have the cutters or the punches to know that you can still make beautiful crafts, and you can still go into your stash and make your own ephemera and your own tags, embellishments, home decor with just a pair of scissors, your hands, and some paper. So I am going to set these to the side and show you the first thing that I made with these. Guys, isn't this butterfly garland just spectacular? I took those butterflies and I put them on some twine, and I created a garland. And I made mine using 6 butterflies, the smaller size, but you can make your butterflies as large as you want, and you can put as many on a string as you want so that your garland is whatever size that you need for it to be. But this is such a pretty way of just dressing up a little function that you might be having when we get back to some sort of normalcy as a world. This would be great to have at an outdoor event. This would be great as a banner along a table. Just such fun ideas that we can do with this garland. And it's so easy to make. You just mount your butterflies to twine or ribbon or lace, whatever it is that you want to use, and you've created your own custom butterfly garland. So then I took a couple of the butterflies, put them together, and guys, doesn't this look real? This butterfly is so cute. I put them together, and now I am going to use this in a way that we have been using our other items. This now becomes an embellishment for a project. And what I did was I mounted a mini clothespin to the back, and now I'm able to put this on whatever I want to use it on. And I have this sweet, beautiful blush pink and black bag, and it's basically 3 by 5 by 2. And I have my butterfly that I have mounted to a clothespin, and I am just going to stick that on just like that. So then I took that sweet little Make Memories tag and just tucked it in, and you can see we now have a beautiful embellishment for an equally beautiful little bag. So there are just so many different things that we can do with our butterflies. And finally, I decided to make some 6x4 butterflies because I wanted to create a wonderful piece of home decor. And I'm just going to finish cutting this out with you guys. And what I was thinking was making something for my wall in my studio. And so I am going to finish cutting these out. I am going to then mount this to the wall and show you guys just how beautiful this is when you group them and you mount them to the wall. So there, we've got this wonderful butterfly, and this one is really large. This one is a 6 across by 4 in length. And basically what I'm going to do is I have command strips because I'm going to put these on the wall, but I want to be able to take them down. So I am just going to mount my command strip to the back and then mount it to the wall. But I just wanted to show you guys just what we can do in terms of size on these. So you've got a large one, and then we've got a small one. So you could actually create a garland where you're alternating between large and small. There's just so much that we can do with these to really make our projects pop or to create that beautiful piece of home decor. Okay, so I have my butterflies mounted to the wall. I can't swing my camera over to show you, but I am going to show you a picture right now so that you can see just how gorgeous these are on the wall. I mean, look at these guys. Don't you think that this is just a fun, festive way to brighten up your room? And if you put those command strips on the back, you can take them down whenever you feel like it, or you can swap them out for a different type of butterfly or a different type of decor. But having those little guys over there on the wall just fluttering around really does bring a smile to my face. And when I'm able to sit out here with the door open, they're right next to the door. So every time I look out, they're the first thing that I'm going to see because they are just so stinking cute. So those are just a few of the things that I wanted to share with you guys in terms of what we can do with these butterflies. Yes, yesterday I made, tags and ephemera with them, but now we can take them and we can take that tag, that ephemera, and dress up our party bags, our gift bags, whatever we might want to use it for. We can create garland that we can string across a room or string on an outside table, whatever you want. And then we have our big butterflies that are just so realistic looking that we can take these and turn them into happy, feel-good home decor. So when you have some free time, print out a whole bunch of butterflies. Or if you feel like freehand drawing your butterflies, do that as well. Then when you're watching TV or talking on the phone or whatever it is you do and you have some free time with your hands, this is just so relaxing to just sit down and trim these out. I cut out all of these butterflies while I was talking to my sister on the phone, and my hands were busy, and it just felt so good to have my hands doing something. Even though I was talking to her, I was still able to concentrate on our conversation, but cut out these fun butterflies that I can now use or place in Happy Mail, whatever it is. So guys, I hope that you have liked this machine-free, punch-free project share. And if you have, please hit the like button. If you are not a subscriber to my channel, I would love to have you join my online crafting family. You guys have a great day. Happy crafting, and we'll chat later. Bye.